They're behind us. They're behind us, Matt. This is fucking ridiculous. Got one. Hit! Hit! Matt, reach your hand out. Back in. Move up, I got him right here. Alright. This sucks with two people. I can't even pick my head up. Yo, Frank, get to the right. Yo, reload. He's coming to the left. Bill, watch out! Behind you. Straight back. Can you get him? Yo, you have eyes on Matt. As soon as he moves, I got him. Cover me for a second. Got him. You got him? Yo, watch out. Matt's coming up. See him? He's moving on our left. There's more. Is he moving?
No.
Good.
He's sitting.
Go that way. 15 minutes!